Hello students. Today I am going to introduce about the next topic, that is chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Now, the strong tendency to lose their valence electrons that makes the alkaline earth metals highly reactive, and the reactivity increases on moving down the group. क्यों इंक्रीज होती है बेटा? बिकॉज size increases, but ionization enthalpy that will be decreases, so its reactivity increases down the group. Okay, now the ionization enthalpy of alkaline earth metals that is very high as compared to alkali metals, so these are very less reactive as compared to alkali metals in their chemical reactions. Now let us start reaction number 1. Reaction with oxygen. Beryllium and magnesium that are kinetically inert to the oxygen because of the formation of a thin film of oxides on their surface. क्योंकि बेटा इनके सरफेस पे क्या होता है, ऑक्साइड्स की लेयर बन जाती है. ठीक है, तो इस वजह से ये काइनेटिकली इनर्ट होते हैं. ओके, बट द अदर मेंबर्स of the group that are reactive towards air and they give their oxides and nitrides. Okay, on heating in excess of air, beryllium burn to give the beryllium oxide and beryllium nitride. Magnesium being elect electropositive, it burns with the dazzling brilliance to give its oxides and नाइट्राइड्स. ओके, आपने सुना होगा मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. जब मैग्नीशियम एयर की प्रेजेंस में जलता है, बर्न होता है मैग्नीशियम रिबन, तो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बनता है. और यहाँ पे वाइट कलर की जो होती है, ड्रेजलिंग टाइप की जो फ्लेम होती है, दैट विल बी ऑब्जर्व. ओके, नाउ reactivity towards oxygen increases as we move down the group. Now, reaction with water. These metals are less electropositive than the alkali metals. They are less reactive towards the water. Magnesium burn with boiled water, that react with boiled water or steam. Suppose this magnesium that ये steam के साथ जो react करता है, magnesium hydroxide और hydrogen gas release करता है. Same as it is, calcium react with water and form calcium hydroxide plus H2. Okay. Beryllium has no reaction with water, cold as well as hot water in the form of steam. Okay. Magnesium also does not react with cold water, but it react with hot water or steam and it will give the hydroxide. But rest of the members that react with cold water to give their hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Okay. So alkali metal hydroxides, alkaline earth metal hydroxides that are also basic in nature just like alkali metal hydroxides. Okay, now the next reaction is reaction with halogens. Alkaline earth metals combine with halogens at the particular temperature to give the corresponding halides M plus X2 MX2. Okay, thermal decomposition of this type of halides, that is used बेरिलियम फ्लोराइड ना. ठीक है, यूज फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ BeF2. बेरिलियम फ्लोराइड की प्रिपरेशन में यूज होता है बेटा. कैसे देखो, जैसे बेरिलियम ऑक्साइड होता है दैट रिएक्ट विद द 2 molecules of ammonia and react with 4HF and it will form this type of compound. Okay, after the decomposition of this type of compound like this, it undergo thermal decomposition and it will form BeF2 plus 2NH4F. Okay, this will be formed. Now next is Reaction with hydrogen. Alkaline earth metals except beryllium when heated with hydrogen to form a hydride. It will form a metal hydride. Okay. BeCl2 that react with the lithium aluminum hydride, which is a strong reducing agent, and it will form a BeH2 beryllium hydride plus lithium chloride plus AlCl3. This will be formed. Now, next is general characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals. First is oxides and hydroxides. Alkali earth metals that burns in oxygen and it will form a monooxide. Okay? It can be prepared by calcination of their carbonate ores. Okay? Except BeO. All other oxides that have the rock salt structure and ionic in nature. BeO is covalent in nature because of the small size of beryllium 2 plus ions. All these oxides that are stable, highly stable to the heat because of their high enthalpy of formation. Okay, all oxide except BeO that are basic in nature, सारे बेसिक होते हैं, लेकिन BeO that is amphoteric in nature. Other oxides of their other elements that are ionic in nature. BeO जो होता है बेसिक नेचर है बेटा, इस एम्फोटेरिक नेचर है, सॉरी एम्फोटेरिक नेचर शो करता है ये, because it react with acids and as well as base and it will form a salt. Okay, except BeO they are basic in nature and it react with water and to form a springily soluble hydroxide. तो MO वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करके मैग्नीशियम सॉरी मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड बनाता है. Okay, the oxides of beryllium and magnesium that are insoluble in water, while the oxides of other metals dissolve in water to give their hydroxides. The insolubility of beryllium oxide and magnesium oxide in water, that is because of the large lattice enthalpy. Now next is halides. The alkaline earth metals combine directly with halogens at the appropriate temperature and to form the halides. They can be prepared by the action of halogen acids on metals, metal oxides and metal hydroxides. Metal react with HX, it will form Mx2 plus H2. Metal oxides plus 2HX, it will form Mx2 plus H2O. Metal hydroxide plus 2HX, it will form Mx2 plus 2H2O. Okay, this will be formed. Except beryllium halides, all other halides of alkaline earth metals that are ionic in nature. Except BeCl2 and MgCl2, other chlorides of alkaline earth metals that gives the characteristics colors to the flame. जैसे CaCl2, it gives bricks red color. SrCl2, crimson red color. BaCl2, grassy green color. Okay. So alkaline earth metal halides form a hydrated salt. Except beryllium chloride, all other chlorides of alkaline earth metals that form hydrates. So their tendency that decreases with increase the size of metal ion. Okay. Like this, the tendency to form a halide hydrates decreases down the group. For example, MgCl2 into 8H2O, CaCl2 into 6H2O, SrCl2 into 6H2O, BaCl2 into 2H2O. ये क्या है बेटा, हाइड्रेटेड फॉर्म है. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, बेरिलियम क्लोराइड that has a chain structure in the solid phase. Because in the solid state, BeCl2 is the electron deficient compound. Okay, it exists in polymeric chain structure in which the each beryllium atom, this beryllium atom is tetrahedrally surrounded by the 4 chlorine atom. Okay, 2 of the chlorine atom that are bonded to the covalent bond and 2 remaining that are joined by the coordinate bond. Okay, but in vapor phase the compound exists as a dimer which decompose at about 1000 Kelvin to give the monomer in which the beryllium atom is in sp hybridization state. Suppose this is beryllium, this is here Cl, this is also Cl. So this exists in monomer form. But this is beryllium, this is chlorine, this is also chlorine, ये भी beryllium है, ये chlorine है, this is also chlorine. This will exist as a dimer. इसको हम डाइमर की फॉर्म बोलते हैं. ओके, सो टू फॉर्म्स आर हेयर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सल्फेट. These are prepared by the action of sulfuric acid on alkaline earth metals and their oxides, hydroxides and carbonates. Suppose this is metal, it react with H2SO4 sulfates. It will form metal sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, this will be formed. Now the sulfate of alkaline earth metals that are white solids and quite stable to heat. Their thermal stability increases as the size of alkaline earth metal ion increases. Okay. Now next is second is solubility. The solubility of these compounds that are decreases as the size of metal ion increases. सॉल्युबिलिटी कम होती है बेटा जैसे जैसे साइज बढ़ता है, क्योंकि हम बेरिलियम सल्फेट से बेरियम सल्फेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, साइज बढ़ रहा है बट सॉल्युबिलिटी डिक्रीज हो रही है. रीज़न क्या है बेटा? व्हाट इज़ द रीजन? ड्यू टू द ग्रेटर हाइड्रेशन एंथैल्पी ऑफ बेरिलियम 2 पॉजिटिव आयन and magnesium 2 positive ions. So they overcome the lattice energy factor. So their sulfates are soluble in water. तो हम बेटा ये बताएंगे इसमें कि the magnitude of lattice energy that remains same throughout the group due to the larger size of sulfate ion. sulfate ion का साइज ज़्यादा है जो कि anion है, but the hydration enthalpy decreases from beryllium 2 plus to barium 2 plus. So the solubility decreases from beryllium sulfate to barium sulfate. Okay. Now next is carbonate. Carbonates of alkaline earth metals that are thermally unstable and decompose on heating. Okay. Solubility like this beta. MCO3 heat किया MO metal oxide plus CO2. This will be formed. The thermal stability increases from beryllium carbonate to barium carbonate. Beryllium carbonate is unstable and that are capped only in the atmosphere of CO2. Now what is the solubility in water? All the carbonates that are ionic in nature and they are springily soluble in water, their solubility decreases as the atomic number of the metal ions increases. Okay. ऐसा क्यों बेटा सॉल्युबिलिटी डिक्रीज क्यों होती है? बिकॉज द साइज ऑफ कार्बोनेट आयंस, कार्बोनेट कौन सा होता है? CO3 2 माइनस. कार्बोनेट आयन दैट इज लार्ज एंड द स्मॉल चेंजेस इन द साइज ऑफ कैटायन which don't make any material difference. So the lattice energy of carbonate ion that will remain almost constant within the group, but the hydration enthalpy of the metal ions decreases from beryllium plus 2 to barium plus 2, due to which the solubility of their carbonates decreases in the same fashion. Okay. So beryllium carbonate that are highly soluble in water and barium carbonate that are almost insoluble in water. Okay. Now next is nitrates. Nitrates of alkaline earth metals that are prepared by treating the corresponding metal carbonates with dilute HNO3 means nitric acid. Metal carbonate that react with nitric acid, it will form a क्या बनाता है ये? नाइट्रेट्स के कंपाउंड, नाइट्रेट्स ऑफ alkaline earth metals plus water plus CO2. Okay. Second, all these metal nitrates decompose on heating to give the oxides. मेटल नाइट्रेट को हीट करते हैं, मेटल ऑक्साइड NO2 और O2 आएगा यहाँ पे. ओके. So the tendency of these nitrates to form the hydrate decreases as the size of the metal ion increases, and hydration enthalpy also decreases. So all the nitrates are soluble in water and get decomposed on heating to give the oxides like metal oxide, NO2 or O2. Okay. Strontium and barium nitrates that are also used in pyrotechnics for giving the red and green flames. Okay. Now some important compounds of calcium. First, calcium oxide, this is also called as quicklime and formula is CaO. How will you prepare? It is prepared by heating the limestone in a rotary kiln at 1070 to 1270. CaCO3 that will be heated, it will form calcium oxide plus CO2. So this reaction is reversible. The CO2 is removed as soon as it is formed to enable the reaction to proceed to completion. This reaction is reversible and proceeds in the forward direction. Now what are the properties? It is a white amorphous solid. It reacts with water to become a slacked lime. The reaction is highly exothermic and producing hissing sound like this. Slacked lime means lump of lime. इसको lump of lime भी बोलते हैं बेटा. And its formula is this one. This is quick lime. This is slacked lime. Okay. On exposure to atmosphere, it absorb moisture and carbon dioxide. CaO वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करके कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनाता है. CaO CO2 के साथ रिएक्ट करके कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट बनाता है. Okay. Now at high temperature, it combines with acidic oxides. CaO plus SiO2, it will form CaSiO3. This is solid acidic oxides बनाएगा. CaO plus P4O10, it will form calcium phosphate. Okay. Now when this calcium oxide that is heated with oxyhydrogen flame, it emits a bright light. This is called as the lime light. Lime light. Now next, what are the uses of calcium oxides? It is used in the manufacture of cement, sodium carbonates, calcium carbides. It is used in the purification of sugar. It is used in the manufacture of dyestuffs. It is used in the manufacture of cement. It is the cheapest form of alkali, and it acts as a drying agent and in the purification of sugar. It is used as a disinfectant, germicides and water softener. Okay. Now next is calcium hydroxide. It is also called slacked lime. SLAKED, slacked lime. Formula is calcium hydroxides. How it is prepared? Calcium oxides react with water and it will form calcium hydroxide. During the formation of slacking, the lumps of quicklimes that crumble to form a fine powders. It is obtained by the calcium chlorides react with caustic soda. It is also prepared. Now what are the properties? It is a white amorphous powder. It is springily soluble in water. The aqueous solution is called as the lime water, and while its aqueous suspension is called as the milk of lime. Suppose this is calcium hydroxide. It reacts with a Cl2 and it will form CaOCl2. This is bleaching powder plus water. Now When it is treated with CO2, CO2 के साथ जब ये treat होता है, the solution become milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Okay. Now, what are the uses? It is used in the manufacture of building materials. It is used in whitewash as a disinfectant. It is used to detect the CO2 gas in the laboratory. It is also used in the glass and tanning industries. Okay. It is used to prepare the bleaching powder and for the purification of sugar. Okay. और why it is used in whitewash? वाइट वॉशिंग में इसलिए यूज होता है बेटा, बिकॉज ड्यू टू द disinfectant properties, means it kills the germs and bacteria. Now next is calcium carbonates or limestone. It is also called as limestone. Formula is CaCO3. How will you prepare? Calcium carbonates that occurs in nature in different forms like limestone, marble, chalk. It can be prepared by passing CO2 through the slacked lime in limited amount. Calcium hydroxide react with CO2. It will form CaCO3 plus water. Okay. And this calcium carbonate that is found in nature in the form of chalk, marble, etc. Okay. It is also prepared by the reaction of solution of sodium carbonates with calcium chloride. This sodium carbonates that react with CaCl2 and it will form calcium carbonate plus NaCl. Okay, so these are the two preparations for preparing the calcium carbonate. Now next is properties. Properties, it is a white fluffy powder and it is insoluble in water. जब कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट को जब हम हीट करते हैं, सपोज दिस इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट and it is heated. After heated, it will form CaO plus CO2. Okay. Second, when calcium carbonates that react with any acids, suppose this is HCl, then it will form CaCl2 plus water plus CO2. Okay. It means when calcium carbonate react with dilute acids, then it will give the carbon dioxide gas. Now, what are the uses of calcium carbonate? Calcium carbonate is used in the manufacture of quicklime, sodium carbonate, cement, glass, slagged lime, etc. It is used as a building material in the form of marbles. Calcium carbonate react along with magnesium carbonate and they are used as a flux in the extraction of metals like iron. ठीक है, आयरन मेटल्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट करने में, निकालने में भी एक फ्लक्स का काम करता है. फ्लक्स क्या होता है बेटा? फ्लक्स इसलिए ऐड किया जाता है ताकि वो इम्प्योरिटीज को रिमूव कर सके. नेक्स्ट, इट इज़ यूज्ड एज ए आंट एसिड. ओके. It is used in toothpaste and as a main constituent of chewing gum, etc. Calcium carbonate is also used in the manufacture of high quality paper. Okay. Now next is calcium sulfate. This is POP, means plaster of Paris. Formula is CaSO4 into half H2O. Like this beta. How will you prepare? First preparation, it is obtained by when gypsum formula is CaSO4 into 2H2O, then heated at 393 Kelvin. This is gypsum. After heated, it will form a POP, calcium carbonate. Calcium sulfate into hemihydrate. This is POP, plaster of Paris. Above 393 Kelvin, anhydrous calcium sulfate that is formed. This is called as the dead bond plaster because the whole water ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली लॉस्ट, ये लॉस्ट हो जाता है और इसको फिर नाम दे देते हैं हम डेड बर्न्ड प्लास्टर और एनहाइड्रस कैल्शियम सल्फेट। ओके बेटा, दिस एनहाइड्रस कैल्शियम सल्फेट हैज़ नो प्रॉपर्टी of setting with water. Okay, now what are the properties of POP? It is a white amorphous, this is wrong, it is a white amorphous solid powder. White amorphous solid. Second, when it is mixed in adequate quantity of water, it will form a plastic hard mass within 5 minutes. Okay, means जब हम इसको कैल्शियम सल्फेट इंटू हाफ H2O, जब हम इसको हीट करते हैं बेटा POP को, तो इसमें क्या होता है, वाटर डालते हैं ताकि उसकी सेटिंग हो। वाटर डालेंगे तो ये बनाएगा CaSO4 इंटू 2H2O। ओके, अब इसको फिर से हीट करेंगे तो ये और हार्ड हो जाएगा और क्या बनाएगा, जिप्सम। CaSO4 इंटू में 2H2O। ओके, ये बन जाएगा, दिस इज जिप्सम। नाउ ड्यूरिंग setting there is a slight increase in volume and it helps the POP to take the shape of any mold in which it is added. Okay, now what are the uses of gypsum? It is commonly used in making poetry and ceramics. Second, it is used in surgical bandages for setting the fractured bone or sprain. It is used for making the statues, ornamental work, and decorative materials. It is also used in building industries and for preparing the blackboard chalk. Okay, so all these are uses of POP. Thank you, students.